just humiliated Tina Salak in that last play. Let's take a look at this again. Off the serve of Weneth Eulalio. Nakita natin overcooked. Look at Giselle C. About 5'1", going for that spike. Let's send it now to Rina Villamor.
Yes, a great start for the Lady Tamaras, who I found out didn't had a chance to practice yesterday due to the bad weather, heavy rains in Manila area. According to Coach Ness, what's important for them in today's game is to start with the right attitude that's been showing in the first set and to exit this season with self-satisfaction on their part. Now, compared to their last match going up against the Army, they had a hard time with their service receive. Pero nga ngayon, malaki na ang naging improvements nila pagdating sa service receive. Also, with the addition of Pachari in the team, their floor defense at the back got a little bit tighter, which has been a benefit for the team also. Back to you guys.
Well, that time, hindi service receive ang problema, service error para dito kay Eulalio. Bunag not able to put that one away. Quick set. Palma turned back here by Bunag. One more time for Palma. Turned back again by Bunag. This time it's too near. And sabi ni Tina Salak, thank you very much.
Let me handle this one. But again, yan ang sinasabi kong energizer bunny,
right.
Si Bunag. Ang bilis to react. And that was about 3 blocks from Bunag. Ang hirap yun, yung talon ka ng talon, tapos babalik ka din sa position mo for defense. Not easy.
The quick is dug up finally by Yomko, and that one just goes wide from Tina Salak.
Once again, Tina Salak wanting to go for a placement shot. Wide na naman. We ended the first set with that error.
Pero I don't think you want to give Tina Salak that much room. Maya-maya, mahanap na niya yung mga linyang yan.
Ay, yan ang expertise niyan. Isa sa bukod sa setting.
Right. Dakis on the crosscourt. Tabaquero could not handle it.
Dami nga, no?
Yan, galing kay, galing sa San Marcelino. San Marcelino pala, yung the franchise. And because it's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League, let's see if Dakis' serve defies gravity once again. It found gravity. It found gravity before it could defy it.
Hi.
Tied at 10, another close set.
Pausukan si Noel.
Nice serve by C. Here's Salak. Combination for Michelle Carolino, and C could not get there.
But credit the effort of Giselle C. Really diving for that save.
Giselle C talaga so gutsy. Alam mo yung kwento dito ni Giselle C? When she learned how to play volleyball, and I think the 3rd or 4th grade, siya yung pinakamatangkad sa klase. So siya yung pinaka-dominante sa volleyball. Iniwanan siya bigla ng klase.
But the dominant state.
The dominant state, pero natutuloy siya maging setter. Buti na lang.
Oo, pasalamat ni Coach Ness.
Na hindi na siya tumangkad. Tied at 11 now. Remy Palma.
Oh,
wow.
That is going to be too long.
Well, talagang when she put some effort into it, hindi talaga nagkukulang. 12-11, Army up by 1.
Talking about C, Giselle C, 2 attack points already against Tina Salak's lone point. Pero sa setting, pareho, sinasabayan si Tina Salak with 14 excellent sets.
And Salak got a hand on that one. That was on its way out, actually. So Ivy scores. And we are tied at 12. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Pachari Sangmuang just arrived in the Philippines a few days ago. Salak off the attack from Dalia Cruz. Ivy. Here's Salak once again. This time going to Dalia Cruz on the other side. Giselle C. Angge off the net. Salak. Dalia once again. Long rally. Ivy. Too near.
Yes.
Kept alive by Tabaquero, but not for long.
That's right. It was really too close to the net. Tabaquero almost just saving that ball.
13-12. Balik na naman ang kalamangan dito sa Philippine Army. Michelle Carolino. Giliego, hindi malaman kung sabay pwesto that time.
Oh, but Giselle C saving it. Actually, credit the 3 girls from FEU.
Right, but Dakis says enough is enough.
Middle hit for Dakis. As we see it once again.
Sa kaliwa na naman siya galing. Sobrang effective niya talaga sa side na yan. Michelle Carolino. Sang Muang. Giselle C. Quick set. Here's Dakis. They go to Wenet once again. If that block, was never blocked.
It's a net block actually for Angge. As you're
Ayan na, si
looking
Iris.
for Iris Patrona, I was looking at her rubber shoes.
I'm looking at the shoes also.
Yes.
Mamaya makikita natin yung sapatos. Itong si Iris Patrona mukhang nagpa-design.
Oo. I want.
And not a good reception that time for Giliego. And all of a sudden, the Philippine Army has opened up a 4-point lead, 16-12, into our second technical timeout.